Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. MK Captain is here, and today we compare the Redmi K20 Pro, the early version of the Xiaomi, and we compare with this device, the Redmi latest launched K30 5G phone. So, hope you like this video. Comment below which phone you most like it. So, let's start this comparison. as you can see, the Redmi K20 is little bit expensive than the Redmi latest launched, the Redmi K30 5G version. And also this is really shocking for me because the Redmi K20 is little bit expensive than the Redmi K30 5G, and the 15 points earn just Redmi K30 5G against the Redmi K20 Pro. 17 points the Redmi K20 Pro earn. So let me know which phone you most like it and which future also you like it in these two phones. Let me know in the comment section, and like this video if you like it, and subscribe for more tech news and smartphone comparison videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.